On June 6, 2023, a massive explosion at the Kakhovka hydroelectric power station in Ukraine triggered one of the biggest industrial and ecological disasters in Europe for decades. The blast destroyed a huge dam on the Dnieper River, releasing millions of cubic meters of water that flooded the surrounding areas. The Kakhovka hydroelectric power station, built in 1956 on the Dnieper River in Kherson Oblast, was one of the largest in Europe. It supplied water and electricity to parts of southern Ukraine, including the Crimean Peninsula and the Zaporizhia nuclear plant. The area supported a rich ecosystem with diverse wildlife and vegetation. The flooding affected an area of about 10,000 square kilometers, 3,900 square miles, covering parts of Kherson Oblast, Mykolaiv Oblast, Zaporizhia Oblast, and Crimea. The water reached as far as Odessa on the Black Sea coast, where debris and animals were found floating on the sea. The flood had devastating consequences for the animal population in the region. Thousands of animals were killed, injured, or trapped without access to food and water. Some managed to find safety in unfamiliar environments, but the overall impact was severe. The floodwaters swept away houses, bridges, roads, farms, factories, and power lines, causing widespread destruction. In some areas, the water rose up to 30 meters above normal levels. The flooding caused significant displacement of animals in the region. Domestic and wild animals, including mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians, were affected. Many animals were killed or injured, while others were stranded on islands or rooftops. Remarkable stories of resilience emerged amidst the disaster. For example, a dog swam over 100 kilometers, 60 miles, from Kherson to Odessa to escape from a flooded house. A flock of white storks migrated to Odessa after their nesting site near Kakhovka was destroyed. Toys, books, and clothes became makeshift rafts for animals to survive. In response to the flooding, local communities, wildlife organizations, and authorities collaborated to rescue stranded animals. They set up temporary shelters, distributed food and water, provided veterinary care, and reunited lost pets with their owners. Animals were relocated to suitable habitats or sanctuaries. The inundation damaged the ecology and wildlife. It destroyed habitats, polluted water, introduced alien species, and spread animal diseases.